Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Versatile Buddy Rachit. So guys, in this video we are going to do something very interesting which is related to our previous video. You can see that and then you can come to this. So guys, most of us while doing typing we thought that we must have a mechanical keyboard. So there are multiple reasons for using a mechanical keyboard. But in my perspective, I think most of us likes the sound of mechanical keyboard, which is very pleasing to our ears. So yeah, in this video, I have a mechanical keyboard. You can see. Now you guys think, is this a mechanical keyboard? So no guys, this is not a mechanical. We are going to make it mechanical keyboard and let's see how. Before that, please subscribe and like our channel and let's move on to our screen now. So now guys, what you have to do is that you have to open any browser, like I am using Brave, and in that browser search engine you have to type there Mech Vibes like this, and on the very top it is written Mech Vibes. You have to open this one, and when you will open this, in the very front it is written one of the only free application that let you change the sound of your keyboard into anything. So yes guys, definitely it is going to change. As from the name it is written Mech Vibes. So it is definitely going to give you vibes. So now what you have to do is click on the download now button and it will directly bring you to this page. Now here there are lots of versions. So on the very top it is written version 2.3.4 is the latest, so we will going with the latest one. So here it is, so you have to click on this one and then it will it will it will ask you the location where you want to save it. So like I want to save it in my desktop, so let's save it. And then here it is going to start your downloading, and in a very few minutes it will be downloaded. So yeah, after the download will finish, you simply have to open it from here. So yes guys, now this kind of outlay is going to come in front of you. Here it is written Mech Vibes, and yeah, here some of the default sounds are given to you from which you can choose any. So let me select this one. Yeah, so now let's listen the voice of it. First listen the voice. Oh, it's amazing. So let's choose this one. Nice. So let me tell you guys, my personal favorite is this one. This is a very pleasant sound, like Oreo sound. Okay, so now let me show you how it actually converts my membrane keyboard into a mechanical keyboard. So let's move on to the video now. So guys, let me type this. Oh yeah, it's giving a nice sound here. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And if you like the video, please share your comment, like the video, and please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.